So as you can see, we're on the Volcano Island, and now we'll look on how to get to Salivator, the most difficult boss in the game. Here's also the other boss, the Lavion Sentinel. He has about 60,000 health and deals pretty decent damage, but we're not going to fight that guy right now. This portal leads to the Salvator room. So overall, you need about rank 200. Yeah. As you can see, I'm on the rank 670 and he already dealt about 60,000 damage per one hit, so it is recommended that you're at least level 300 or 400 and have at least weapons that do around 300 to 500 damage. Otherwise, this. And we successfully beat him. So, yeah, I'm pretty sure you could have seen the stats in here. So yeah, I suggest using weapons that do at least around 300 to 500 damage and being at least rank 300 with at least over 100,000 health, so he doesn't one-shot you and you don't need to run over there all over again, because as you can see, it's a pretty difficult boss fight. And yeah, now we're gonna look into this shop here. So you can buy the flaming mace, 150 to 160 damage for 2 million gold. Flaming blade, 220 to 230 damage, 5.2 million gold. Lavian fang, forged from the molten lava. Yeah, basically lore, cave lore or whatever. 563 to 586 damage, 31 million gold. And rod of Lavian, 579 to 617 damage, 34 million gold. So that's all the updates for now. In my opinion, it's pretty cool. This weapon isn't obtainable yet, but it will be obtainable in the next update, which I will actually release in a few days, maybe tomorrow. So yeah, it's pretty cool. You'll see for yourself. See ya.